Instagram, it's Jennifer Atherton. Hey Facebook, it is Jennifer Atherton. And today we are going to go over your mortgage loan officer questions. If you have questions about loans here in Sacramento or in California, or how to be a mortgage loan officer. What's up, Instagram? Hey guys, how are you doing? It's like Tuesday. I just took my mortgage license exam. Hey Gordon. Hey B May Sync 1985. Hey Rethink Real Estate. That's a cool name. And hi Facebook. Hey. I got a 66 on my test today. Hi. If you're a mortgage loan officer already, what's up? Put a thumbs up in the comments. If you want to become a mortgage loan officer, put a number 1 in the comments. And today we're just talking about how to become a mortgage loan officer, questions you may have if you're a real estate agent and want to do both. Unique design 1 2 3 4. Hello. And taking your test and what that kind of like goes through, okay? So for people that are not mortgage loan officers, but they want to be, you can have your real estate license and your mortgage license. Yeah, tap that screen on Instagram if you're loving this content. You can have your real estate license and your mortgage license. Here at Berkshire Hathaway, we can do that under one broker, but your broker, you might want to keep your broker, but you can also do loans with Berkshire Hathaway. Awesome. So what you're going to need, number 1, is your NMLS license number. That's free to get. You just go on NMLS.org, I believe, and just get your number, and that's your number for like ever, okay? Number 2, you can sign up with Pacific Wholesale Mortgage. That's the mortgage company that I'm with. It's super easy to sign up, and you can build a team under you. If you're a mortgage loan officer and you're producing all these loans and you're getting people to sign up to become mortgage loan officers, you should be getting cuts from every loan that they do. And at Pacific Wholesale Mortgage, you can. And then number 3, you got to take your test and pass. I've taken this test twice. I got 66% both times. This is a kind of a hard test. And hi, AJ. And so I'm just going to study a little bit more. I took a crash course. I can give you the link to the crash course I took because now I can take that crash course over and over and over again. I think they offer it like once a month, and it's a 2-day course. And I'm just going to keep taking the crash course until I feel comfortable, and then I'll take my test again. So you can take your test, and then you have a month to take it again. And then if you fail again, like I did, then you have another month. So if I fail again on strike 3, then I have to wait 6 months to take my test again. Okay, some people take this test 5 times, some people get it on their first try. It's all kind of up to you and your study methods. And I wish I did the crash course before, and I guess I just have to go over the material a little bit more. Once you do pass, then they're going to do the background check, credit check. You know, if you're a felon, you might have a little bit of a harder time, especially felon with money laundering and fraud. It's not going to happen. They will take you if you have a felony and something else, but it has to be like it has to happen 7 years or more. You still might have a little bit of trouble with it. You have to be 18 years or older to get your mortgage license. And then, so once I pass my test, then you have to pay licensing fees, which is about $500 a month. And you have to do 8 hours of continuing education credit every year. Okay, if you have any questions about that, comment below, shoot me a DM. I'm going to ask you for your name, your phone number, and your email, and I will shoot you out an email with some information and some videos on what you have to do to get your mortgage license and answer any questions you have. I'm here to support you on your mortgage journey. If you want to become a mortgage loan officer, or if you need a mortgage or need to refinance, I know a lot of really good agents, okay? If you have any questions, drop them down below. Shoot me a DM. I try to answer every question that you have, and if I don't know the answer, I will find out. All right, yeah, failed my test. Kind of sucks. But it happens, and you don't really fail until you give up. And I'm not giving up because right now I'm just seeing a lot of people refinancing, and I'm sure a lot of realtors are seeing this too. So it would be kind of nice to have both because the market is super hot. There are like minimum listings out there and houses on the market, and there's a ton of buyers, and a lot of people are refinancing. The rates are so low, they're in the 2s. So why not? I mean, of course you want your clients to save money on their mortgage and pay off their house faster. If you're at a 4 and you got a 2, I mean, you could literally make the same payment and pay off your house so much faster, right? Which is great. Also, if you're a real estate agent and you're thinking about getting your mortgage license, you have to think about when you're a real estate agent, you're closing the deal once. You're helping the client find a home. For some of your clients, that will be their forever home. And yes, they will refer other clients to you. They may buy another home in a couple of years. They may not. Whereas you're a mortgage loan officer, you get them the loan and you can refinance multiple times. So it's kind of nice to have both. I want to have both. I'm sure you want to have both if you're a real estate agent. Why not? Why not? Hey Bradley, how are you? Thank you so much for joining my live. Okay, so if you already have your mortgage license and you're doing great at your company, or maybe you're not getting a lot of leads, or business is kind of slow, I definitely recommend coming over to Pacific Wholesale Mortgage. Why? Number one, we are a cloud-based company, so you don't have to be in Sacramento. You can be doing loans kind of like anywhere in California. And sorry, there's a thing that popped up. We have a ton of training. We have so much training during the week. We have like 2 to 3 trainings a day where we will teach you to become the best mortgage loan officer out there. And if you want to build a team underneath you, we will teach you how to become a really great branch manager, bringing other mortgage loan officers on your team, and you get a cut of their deals. So, and that gets inherited down to your children as well. It's a great deal. We're a wholesale brokerage, so we have a lot of banks that are competing for your business and giving your client the best deal on the market. If you just work with one bank, sometimes, it's like a cookie cutter and you can't fulfill your client's needs. Where if you're working with multiple banks competing, we're going to find a really great fit for all of our clients. So I know there's a lot of mortgage loan officers out there that may be, a little upset because they have to, deals aren't going through and they're putting all this work in and the deals aren't going through. Maybe it's time to come over to a wholesaler and have a little bit more options for your clients, because it's so frustrating when you have to turn people down that can qualify with a different type of loan. Let's see what else. Training, cloud-based, brokerage, and team building. So yeah, you can bring people on, let them know, help people get their mortgage license. I am helping a lot of real estate agents get their mortgage license, going through the process. It's kind of like the same thing as getting your real estate license, and why not do both? Why not do both? The only ones that you can't do both on are for like government deals, but I mean everything else you can, and why not? And that way you're in control of the deal, you know exactly what's going on, and you can help more people in more ways. So questions, drop them below. Hi guys. Hi. Mortgage questions. What if you have bad credit and you can't really qualify for a mortgage, but you kind of want to start the process? We will definitely help you with your credit and guide you into making your credit go up so you get a better rate on your mortgage. Not everyone's ready to have a mortgage right this second, but we're willing to work with you so that way when the time is right, we got all of your ducks in a row and we're ready to go. We're ready to get your mortgage going. You can always stop by the office and check it out. We are at 7412 LC Ave. How much does the broker take off each loan? So you get 1 to 125 BPs, and the broker gets about 75 BPs. And then it's like a 17th of a point for whoever your team lead is. Great question, Gordon. Great question. Yeah, come by the office. We have this huge office out here in South Sac. Once coronavirus, and we kind of are we going to get back to normal? Get back to normal. We do trainings all the time. We help you. We have mentors. So your first 5 deals you're going to do with a mentor, and they're going to take 50%, but they're going to teach you in those first 5 deals how to become a successful mortgage loan officer. If you already have experience, we can cut that down a little bit and kind of hold your hand through the first deal to make sure that you don't have any questions and stuff. But for new mortgage loan officers, we're doing 5 mentor deals, which is great because you have a ton of support. We also have a lot of trainings on reaching out to real estate agents and becoming their mortgage loan officer. How many real estate agents are getting calls from and saying, hey, I'm just here to serve you? You know, that's a great way to get more clients. Our top producers are cold calling 30 real estate agents a week and following up with them. And that's kind of where we're at. We have a lot of top producers, and we're doing a lot of loans, closing a lot of loans. We have processors right here in the building. So if you have any questions about your loan, this is a great community. And at 11 a.m., you can check in with your processors to see where your loan is at. Which is great because you always want to know where your loan's at. Did the appraisal get ordered? Are all the documents in? I mean, to really successfully close a deal, communication with your team is super important. And we have that all here. If you want to get your real estate license, hit me up. I can definitely help you with that. Again, send me your name, your phone number, your email, and I will email you over steps to get started. And study for your test. If you do not have your MLO, study. There's a lot of rules and regulations that you have to know to become a mortgage loan officer. There's a lot of stuff you gotta know. Any questions? Another thing is, I know a lot of you took the classes to get your real estate license and now the test isn't available. At Berkshire Hathaway, if you order your test on your computer, you can come and take the test in our office. We are a testing center. So if you tried to go the route of real estate and now you're kind of stuck waiting on a testing date, you can go the route of mortgage loan officer and take your test here. We're open to taking your test. You do have to complete 20 hours of pre-license training. Just like a real estate license, you need to take those 3 classes. And once you get that, just study for your test. I'll shoot you my crash course that I did, and now that I can do over and over and over again until I pass, which is great to know. And yeah, that's what we got going on today. Any questions? Where are you located at? Great question. Sacramento, California. My office is at 7412 Elsie Ave in Sacramento, 95828. And we're open from 9 to 5. So yeah, come on down. Come and check it out. I would love to give you a tour. We do trainings right here at the office as well. And we do a lot of virtual trainings. We have conference rooms for signing. And, you know, if you need a desk space, there's open desk space here for you. Broker's really cool. Everyone here is really awesome, and we're just here to help each other. I know sometimes it's kind of hard, like, being at home and doing business. Sometimes it's better to, like, be in an office environment to do business, and this is it in Sacramento. You do not need to be in Sacramento to be a mortgage loan officer with our company because we are cloud-based. And then I think Getting we're expanding to Texas and Utah and a bunch of other places too. So you don't just have to do loans in California. You can pass your test for these other states and do loans in other states as well while in California. So business is exponential. Okay, 15 minutes. Just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know about mortgages. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help, happy to help, answer all of your questions. And I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.